when we talk about the structure of numbers, we actually took in this case we're talking about place value and understanding place value. So when we look at the number like 246, it's 2 hundreds in the hundreds place, 4 tens in the tens place, and 6 ones in the ones place. But if we just look at the ones, for instance, there are 6 ones in the ones place, but obviously 246 is made up of 246 ones. 6 of them are in the ones place, 40 of them are in the tens place, and 200 of them are in the hundreds place. Now, to understand that there's 246 ones in this number, you need to understand place value. And in class the other day we looked at this relationship, and some of the kids use blocks. So here's a tens block, and you can see that it's exactly the same as 10 ones. And you can see those 10 ones there. Also another relationship, so here's a hundreds block, and it's exactly the same as that. That happens to be 10 tens. So there's 10 tens to make up 100, 10 ones to make up a 10, and they're important relationships to understand when you look at this number. So 246 is made up of 246 ones, but you can also look at how many tens it has in it. And obviously, if you look at the number 246, there are only 4 tens in the tens place. There's no tens in the ones place, obviously, because you can't have tens in the ones place. There's 4 tens in the tens place, but there's 20 of them in the hundreds place, and those 20 tens are actually, if you consider 2 of these would be 20 tens, and that would be the same as the 200. So coming back here, 246 is made up of 246 ones, but it's also made up of 24 tens and 6 ones, I guess, tacked on the end. And there is a shortcut way of seeing this, as long as you understand the place value relationships. And that is, if we look at this number and say how many tens are in the number, a shortcut way of answering that is, well, where can tens be? Now in this number, tens can be in the hundreds place or the tens place, but you can't have tens in the ones place. So what you can do is you can cover up the ones place, and the number will actually tell you how many tens it has in it. It has 24 tens. Same with ones. How many ones are in this number? Well, which of these places can hold ones? They all can. So the answer is 246. How many hundreds are in this number? Well, there's only one place where the hundreds can be in this number, and that's in the hundreds place. So you cover up all the other places where the hundreds can't be, and there is 2 hundreds in this number. That's basically what this question's all about.